I have to make them understand. If I don't respond, they will think I'm weak, or that I have nothing to say. I just need to shout louder so they hear me. Falling into the trap of noise. You believe that more words equal more power. In reality, noise is the camouflage of the insecure. The most dangerous person in any room is the one who says nothing at all. Let us open the next page of our archive.
Why does silence work when words fail?
Silence is a void, and human nature fears a void. When you stop speaking in the middle of a conflict, you transfer the pressure onto the other person. They become desperate to fill that silence. They will start explaining, justifying, and eventually they will reveal their true intent or their insecurities.
So it is not about ignoring them. It is about control.
Exactly. Here are the 3 ways to master this. First, the strategic pause. When a question is aggressive, wait 3 full seconds before answering. This strips the attacker of their momentum. Second, the uncomfortable stare while silent. Keep your gaze steady. This signals that you are not intimidated. You are observing. Third, the final silence. When they finish speaking, stay silent for a moment longer. The longer you wait, the more they will feel the need to elaborate, often revealing the very information you need to win. I see I don't need to win the argument. I just need to control the pace.
Victory is not about who speaks loudest.
It is about who maintains their composure when everyone else is losing theirs. The silence is your shield and your restraint is your weapon. The archive remains open for those who listen. Silence is not empty. It is full of answers.